Moi kaikki! Today I want to go over the word pelleily with everybody, so stay tuned. Okay, so the word of this week is probably a little bit of an interesting one. I don't know if this is a useful word to know, but it is one of my favorite words in Finnish just because I think it's so funny. Hold on, Sydney's whining downstairs. I gotta go fetch her. As I was saying, I wanted to introduce to you guys the word pelleily. 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 Okay, and what does that mean? So to translate it into English, it means something along the lines of clowning around or goofing off. Goofing around. So the word pelle means clown. Pelle. So literally it's like clowning around, goofing off. Pelleily. It comes from the verb pelleillä. Oof. Oh, sorry, I'm a bit out of breath. I had to run downstairs twice because Sydney was banging on the door. Yes, so it comes from the word pelleillä. Pelleillä. To clown around. Pelleillä. So, if you're wondering, well, why do you like this word so much? First of all, I think it's fun to say. Pelleily. Pelleily. Second of all, I think the context in which it's used is pretty funny. And a lot of the times, this might just be around like my sister and my friends and stuff, but we kind of like to, I don't know, say this in like a, I don't know, making fun of it way. I don't know how to explain it, but for example, I think the only times I've really heard this being said seriously was maybe in school. The teachers might say this to the class every once in a while. So then they would say phrases such as lopeta tuo pelleily. So stop that clowning around, stop goofing off. Lopeta tuo pelleily. See, I can't even say it with a straight face. I think it's so funny. Or then nyt loppu tuo pelleily. Now you have to stop clowning around, stop goofing off, stop clowning around. Nyt loppu tää pelleily. Yeah, you can say it in many different situations, or like, älä pelleile, don't goof off, don't clown around. Älä pelleile, älä pelleile. Or then, if you walk into a room and all you see is people goofing off, going crazy, clowning around, the person might say, mitä pelleilyä tämä on? Mitä pelleilyä tää on? Hei, nyt loppu tää pelleily. Mitä pelleilyä tää on? Like, hey, stop clowning around. What kind of clowning around is happening over here? So anyways, this is a very random word, I realize, but I like it so much. And sometimes if my sister and I are just like walking around doing something, someone does something goofy, then just like as a joke, we'll be like, hey, nyt loppu tuo pelleily. Like in that kind of voice. Hey, nyt loppu tää pelleily. I don't know, I just find it funny. Maybe no one else does, but I really like the word. Just thought I would share. So yes, the word of this week is pelleily. Pelleillä, to clown around, to goof off, to goof around, being goofy, not taking things too seriously, kind of, you know, funning around. So yes, that is what pelleily means, if by any chance you happen to hear it somewhere or read it. So yes, kiitos for watching this video ja nähdään ensi videossa, moikka!